Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, HID headlights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.